Constitution was a totally new document. Okay, so Luke thinks that they've never changed, or
not anymore now.
Okay, you don't. Oh, you don't think that?
It's like, I mean, I don't. Maybe they've been changed just like a little bit, but not like a total whole new paragraph change.
Okay, so you think they've been changed a little bit, but not a whole lot.
Bit by bit. Then again, I don't.
Okay, Lindsay.
Can I say why I don't think they?
Yes.
Because it said that they totally trashed it and totally rewrote it.
They trashed what?
The Constitution.
No, the Article of Confederation.
What? Yeah, they crashed.
And it's like,
Okay.
okay, so like if they trashed the Article of the Confederation and wrote a whole new Constitution, why would they want to start again? Like, I mean, they might have just to change some laws, but they wouldn't want to change a whole big thing. Like if we were doing on-demand writing and we got into the last 5 minutes and we read over it and we didn't like it, we wouldn't want to change it, change the whole thing again.
Okay. So now you have to think. This document was written over 230 years ago. Do you think it stayed the same over 230 plus years?
Because that'd be like wearing a new pair of shoes that you got 230 years ago. They're not gonna.
Okay, Brooke.
Okay, so we have a set of laws, okay? And so if you never change the laws, this is how I look at it. If you never change those laws, we'd have the same laws for our whole lives.
Okay.
And so what if the new style was out and it included gray socks. But in our laws, you couldn't wear gray socks.
Okay.
You couldn't change it.
Okay.
So you have to change it if it's in the new style, gray socks.
Okay.
So what are you going to do about it? You're not letting me wear gray socks?
Okay, so you want to change laws. You want to change laws as styles change, as you put it.
Yeah.
Okay? But as things change, as things happen in our society. Okay, hands down. I want you for just a minute to think. Don't talk, just think. What is the Bill of Rights? I know you've heard this term before. Just think. What is the Bill of Rights? Okay, turn and talk to the person next to you. What do you think the Bill of Rights is? So you're summarizing, okay? But what's a right? Okay, what's another word for right? Okay. Classy class!
Yes!
Okay, I've heard a lot of good answers. Bill of Rights. Somebody raise your hand. What did your group talk about? Jaren.
Well, we thought it meant like the freedom that our country has, like, we have the freedom and liberty to do how we choose.
Freedom.
Like, to go to, like, churches or wherever we work or whatever.
Okay, so you think it discusses our freedoms? I'm gonna put a big old arrow over here to rights. That's the word I was trying to get you all to over there.
Yeah,
Okay,
we figured it out.
your freedoms. Okay. Who has something to add? Sarah Kane, what did you all talk about?
Mine's kind of like Jared's. We discussed how it was like, we thought it was a bill that gave us the right to do it.
Okay, so a bill that gives us freedom. Okay, Justin.
Bill of Rights is like, like a piece of paper, like if someone was overpowering a country, the people who were being overpowered send a bill explaining what they get and what to do and what the person who overruled them gets to do and what they get.
Okay, so you think it's kind of like a petition or like a proposal for a law to get more rights? Okay, so Justin thinks it's a proposal for a law. One more, what did you talk about, Morgan?
It's like basic laws, maybe.
Okay, so the basic laws.
Maybe so that you could have, like, your rights. Like, if you follow the laws, then you can be, like, have freedom.
Okay, so basic rights, if you follow the laws, then you get freedom. Okay, lots of good thinking. We are about to go to the computer lab, and you all are going to find out for sure what the Bill of Rights are. Now, by a show of hands, who thinks the Bill of Rights are part of the Constitution?
Kind of, yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, about 17. Okay, hands down. Who thinks that they are not a part of the Constitution? Jaren?
Can I change my vote?
Mine can change it.
I don't know.
You're gonna change hands, so that was your eyes.
I'm not.
Okay, so we have 6 or 7 that don't think it's part of the Constitution. So you all are going to find that out in the lab. So, whenever you go, you all are going to be getting on BrainPop. I have directions for how to get to what we need to get to, but I'm going to show you how to go through the clicking so you know where to go.
Miss Strange. Miss Strange. That's not a goodie, right?
It's not a very good eraser. You're right.
I think those are larger ones.
I think it's
Oh, man.
Wow.
Okay, so once that you are on, girls, once you're on BrainPop, you'll sign in. I'm already signed in, but you'll just hit log in and it'll tell you what to do. You're going to go to the red box that says Social Studies and click. And then once you've clicked that, you'll get a whole menu of stuff in Social Studies. You want to go down to U.S. Government and Law and click. Then you'll go to the Bill of Rights, which is right up here. And don't worry, I have directions printed for you. Okay. And then it'll come up and the video will be there. And I want you to click the video to play. And then I want you to hit CC so that you're getting the captions. Okay, so you have all the words down here. Once you're in the lab, you're going to have a packet. And you're going to be writing, just jotting little notes about what each right is that the Bill of Rights talks about. And then you have some definitions to do as well. You're going to be working with partners. I will give you the choice to choose your partner. If I feel like you need to be moved, we will do that. Okay, so once we get to the lab, you will be sitting next to your partner, working with them, and working to answer those questions.
Again, with our mix.
Okay.
Do we go to
Either
Miss
one.
Strange, what whole computer setting?
Maybe move to this one.
Well, I mean, I think it's almost done. Yeah, I'll get that. I just feel bad.
Oh.
Oh my gosh,
in just a second.
Hey, that's what Cal. What?
There we go. Okay, what's not working?
They're over there. No, they're over there.
Oh. Yeah.
Mine isn't working.
Just type in www.brightcom.com.
There we go. What if somebody said I see my number going down?
Did you log in to go to social studies? No. Magic Learning.
Which one is this?
Yes. Time of the work?
That didn't work in my band. Mr. Antoine, is the vet brain? Don't tweak it.
It's on your direction sheet.
Oh my!
So it's on your direction sheet.
These are
Oh,
what's that? I thought you
do you actually that would be awesome. Drop your stuff and then you go get it.
Are you going to do that? Yeah, but we have to log in. Are you kidding me? Here and there. Where's the screen? Hey! I'm here. Sorry, I forgot.
How do you turn up the volume?
Oh, yeah, here, look, I know how.
Miss Strange. Who did the foundation?
All the way away. If you
Oh, it's too
want
loud.
I'll let you can call me over and we'll move you from here. Yes.
I need to try your
Yours are both. No good. Okay. Hey, Drew, just share with him. Take your earphones out and just listen. Like quietly. Okay. And then turn on the discussion things so that you can see the words. Okay. You all. Let's move. Michael, bring your chair. The rest of you on here. Just reasonable. In the middle. Yeah, that face. All of you. Girls. Okay. Take out your headphones and just share the screen. Okay. Take out your headphones and share the volume.
No, let's start bing. Bing, bing. How did I get My cousins are lime green. Her sisters are hot pink.
Okay, will you go to the classroom, hey, Dylan, will you go to the classroom and get one and then bring back 5 clippings? 5 clippings. Thank you.
Are you kidding me? Rachel, since this isn't working, let's go to that page.
Oh, like, start over again.
How would this be his computer?
Keep going.
Sorry, I didn't realize it was any complicated.
No, I didn't. Look at that application, right? See, look, okay. No, it's not. I shot it on.
Okay, crew review, exit out of that one house, and then 3 on
See,
one.
how this right is right here.
No, just exit. Thank you.
Wait, get back. Oh, is it like, hey, dude, Wayne.
Carol, what do you want?
There we go. I already have it. It's conversation. Whoa, that
you have the right to have this.
Another thing they have to do before they're supposed to are prosecutors
Prosecutors, yes, are the ones who help. They're like the lawyers.
I don't know. She left because she got frustrated.
Wait. Okay, once you've completed that first page, move on to the second. It's definitions. Okay, so you'll need to stop and look at the words so you know what to write.
Okay, I'm just putting them in my headphones so I don't. And then we can do a live. No, like the black line over there. There we go. What? That's not. Just take stuff.
I did too.
I said you guys have a lot. That's awesome. I know. I didn't watch this because I couldn't get it here. Yeah. It would be awesome if we just had pencils that were just perpetually sharp. Yeah. They never would wear out. Have you all compared your answers? Yeah. I'm gonna rewind all of them back and just watch it all the way.
We're not allowed to come into your home. They don't want to. It hasn't gotten very far.
Oh, read the way.
Okay, I got a lot of people that are almost done with that. These two have two, so you keep working on the definitions. Okay, so you three are working together, right? Yeah.
We're only. We're stopping. I'm gonna slow ready. I like the way.
Yeah, if you're gonna go back and look at these notes, it's good to hear you. For sure. Okay, Miss Strange's class, you have about 11 minutes. Okay, my class, you have about 11 minutes. So you want to be working on getting that first page completed. If you finish the first, go on to the second and third.
Will we get to do this tomorrow?
They're all on video. Okay. Rewatch the video and turn on the CC because then it'll like show what they say. So it'll like show that.
I'm adding something onto your first one. Because you got it right, but you didn't get the full thing.
Okay. Does it say she had to put the whole thing?
Well, yeah, but it's kind of important.
So what did you have, Brooke? What did she forget? Okay, certain things. So what are the certain things?
Like religious beliefs and
There we go. Right. Jot down some of those certain things. Okay, some of those specifics. Okay, thank you so much. Are you finished on the front? Okay, stay on the front until you're finished. Yes.
We're confused on this. Like, is it our definition?
It says it in here, and so let's see. Amendable. How could you? What's a word that would be amendable or amendment? What does that mean?
Like,
Okay, keep listening. It's kind of like whenever you read on. Listen on, see if it says.
okay.
Yes. They got it. They called. It's for after school. Sorry. Okay, so there was one. We'll do it rapid fire. Sarah, have you all compared your answers? Compare on the front and then go on to the second.
We just discovered that we can make it bigger.
That's okay, you were managing. You're managing, okay.
It's strange. This one
I already knew. Okay, we people what? What did we talk about that picture yesterday? People, what were they doing?
Trying to find due process. I'm finding due process.
What were those cards they had?
No, not yet. Oh, they were sharing the
Okay, so the Constitution is what? What does
Everybody please remember to ignore the bell that's going to ring at 2:10. Ignore the 2:10 bell, please. Thank you.
Okay, look at this. You gotta go.
Okay, so we're in writing, we're drafting, we're actually writing.
It doesn't
We're
matter.
not just thinking, we're not talking about writing, we're actually writing. Okay, so if you go in here and it talks about drafting the Constitution.
No, there's not.
I know draft is like a rough draft. Wait, a left draft is a good draft. Right draft.
Okay, it talks about drafting the Constitution.
How about
What class do we draft? Writing. Okay, so if you're doing a draft in writing, you're actually doing what?
approved?
So you're writing. Think about whenever we do drafts in writing.
So you just write a
No, we don't. I know. Oh, a draft is
What numbers?
Oh, you don't just write any description. What do you know? Let's put a description. See, you don't know. But, yeah, like,
If you're drafting a poem, what are you doing? Does it mean that it's perfect? No. But it means that it's actually in order. SION. What's the Constitution? Okay. It's the U.S.'s version of what? Laws that set up our what? Hey, class. Okay, Brooke, Gracie. Okay, no matter where you
Attention
are.
please, Girl Scout Troop 781 will be meeting in Mr. Smith's room after school. Girl Scout Troop 781 will be meeting in Mr. Smith's room after school.
Okay, no matter where you are, exit out of BrainPop, exit out of your browser. Okay, everybody's screen should be blue with the MCPS. Unplug your headphones. Please do not forget them. Okay, I'm not finished with directions. Okay, pick up your packet, your directions, your pencil, and your headphones, and quietly line up at the door. Okay, so in the lab, we researched the Bill of Rights. So who can tell me one thing they learned about the Bill of Rights? Luke.
Hold on. Can't fire people at the reason. Wait, no, never mind. Not that. Firearms.
Me and him.
Okay, so what about firearms?
This is firearms.
Oh, raise your hand.
Oh, I have good one actually.
Jaren, you were working with them. What did you all have?
Like, can I just read a different one?
Uh-huh.
Okay, can't force soldiers to stay in whatever they sleep in if it's, they're in peace.
Okay, so there's an amendment. There's a right of ours that we don't have to house soldiers if we don't want to. Okay, what is the Bill of Rights? We kind of talked about it before. We took some guesses. What is it, Morgan?
It's in the Constitution.
Okay.
It like explains the rights that we have, some of the rights that we have.
Okay, was it in the original Constitution or did it come later? Caroline. It came later, okay? But is it part of the Constitution Constitution now?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so it's part of the Constitution now. So back to our original question. Has the Constitution stayed the same for 200 whatever years?
No, it's changeable.
No, it's
No,
changeable.
they're
What's that
adding-
word?
Amendable.
Amendable. Okay,
Yeah.
our Constitution, Brooke, our Constitution is amendable. We can change it. Okay, so the first 10 amendments are the Bill of Rights. Okay.
I'll help you.
The first 10 amendments are the Bill of Rights, and then we have other amendments that were added. But the Bill of Rights tells us what we have the freedom to do. Brooke.
Are the Bill of Rights like the Ten Commandments?
The Bill of Rights are not necessarily like the Ten Commandments.
But like, are they like that?
It's kind of like that for our country,
Our
but
flash
the bill
rules
is
are
like,
change the. You can't change the.
Right.
Commandments.
I wouldn't go as far as to compare those.
Miss
There's 10 of both, but that's about it. Okay,
Our flash rules.
raise your hand. Okay, Gracie.
Actually, curse itself.
Oh, okay.
I was gonna say, our flash rules are like the Ten Commandments.
Okay, so our flash
The five.
kinda.
Kinda.
Okay, a little bit off topic. I need everyone. Oh wait. I need everyone to take off the front page, put your name on it, and then turn it into a front bin. You may then go get your backpack. Wait, did we put this in the bag? No, just the top.